like you to give a big Fort Lauderdale welcome to our flight pilots performing this weekend in the Fort Lauderdale Air Show on Fort Lauderdale Beach. For the first time in 3 years, we have the Canadian snowbirds, we have the Swiss Greenland, we have our America's finest from the Air Force, our female pilot here. It is his name. But the most important person standing up here right now with us tonight, if it is more important, is our mayor, Mayor Jack Seiler. We would like you to welcome everybody.
I'll tell you what, folks, in all seriousness, we see him flying overhead, we see him going by, but how about a big round of applause for all these pilots? Who's fired up for the show tomorrow? The best complaint I got today at City Hall, somebody told me planes were buzzing their buildings. I said, guess what? Stick around all weekend, it's going to keep happening. So I want to thank, in fact, folks, we got the F-35 here this weekend. First time it has flown at a civilian air show. So we got the Air Force, we got Brightly, we got the Canadian Snowbirds, we got the Navy, we got 2,000 sailors and servicemen and women in the port, the Coast Guard, the Marines. It is a great time to be in Fort Lauderdale. Let's just give them a big thank you. So how about we do a little patriotic kickoff for them? Can the band do it? How good is this band? I kept hearing about their following. How about a little patriotic music, guys?
So far from my home. Oh mama, I can hear you crying. You're so scared and all alone. Hangman is coming down from the gallows, and I don't have very long. you.